Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Suka Gue Coffee channel. Today we're making iced cappuccino, but not the traditional way, using Scotsman Gourmet Ice. So why is it non-traditional? Because one, we're using not just milk, but we're using clarified DOA milk. So DOA is dairy, oat, and arumi cashew milk. So this one has been clarified with citric acid, so it still has the protein of milk, so it will whip up, but it doesn't have that really overpowering creaminess that milk tends to have. And then we're using a rich syrup. So this is kind of like simple syrup, but instead of 1-to-1 ratio, we're using 2-to-1 ratio of sugar to water, so it's a bit more rich, hence the name rich syrup. And also we have 1 espresso shot. So today we're using an Indonesian coffee from West Java called Loa. Normal recipe, 20 grams in. It's a bit long today, so 48 grams out, about 20 seconds, so a little bit quicker extraction, but other than that, it's pretty normal. It's anaerobic natural process, so it has the cacao nibs, fruitiness as well, and it goes really well with our clarified milk. So 1 shot of espresso, 60 grams of the clarified milk, and we're using 10 ml of this rich syrup. I love using rich syrup because it is more intense, it's sweet, but it doesn't dilute the drink as much as normal simple syrup. Sometimes with simple syrup you have to use quite a bit and then it dilutes it. So rich syrup is what we prefer here. And we're going to dry shake this using spring from a strainer. So we're dry shaking it to whip it up, but not to dilute it with extra water or extra ice. Hey folks, jadi kita ada misi. Misinya adalah tembus 50.000 subscriber di Suka Gue Coffee channel. Nah, untuk ini kita butuh bantuan kalian. Kita mau adain giveaway supaya kalian termotivasi untuk subscribe dan follow segala macam account kita. Giveaway-nya apa? Well, kita kasih taunya ntar aja kalau udah 50.000. Tapi kita pengen coba supaya kalian bisa subscribe ke YouTube channel Suka Gue Coffee channel, Instagram account So Good, TikTok account So Good, dan juga Instagram dan TikTok account gua pribadi. Mohon bantuannya, semoga kita bisa sama-sama terus belajar tentang kopi dan terus membuat konten yang suka-suka. Ciao! Then we're going to serve in this champagne glass. We take our spring out. Be careful not to spray yourself with coffee or liquid all over your face. So we put that in. It's got that foam. And then the most important ingredient, Scotsman Gourmet Ice. Now they're bigger than normal ice, so they don't dilute the drink as quick. And also we're making the ice cube with distilled water. So as it dilutes the drink, it doesn't change the flavor, it only dilutes it and it chills it, but it doesn't change the flavor because we're using distilled water. So very important to make a so good iced cappuccino. Enjoy. Ciao.